Good morning, all. I am Simon, National ICT Awardee. I'm from Cherry. Okay, before actually today's topic is introduction to animation. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because I think my internet connection is unstable right now. Uh, if my voice breaks, please inform me, sir. Thank you. Before that, we must know what is e-content. Actually, we many of us created lots of contents. So, there is slight difference between the content and e-content. E-content is nothing but it's any form of learning material available digitally. Suppose most of you working in universities and schools. So when we are getting any circular in hard copy. So that is a content. The information in the circular he is going to the head of institution or head of institution is going to convey some information in the hard copy. The same circular, if you are having in PDF format that we are sharing in WhatsApp, that one is called as digital content. So the thing is, e-content is any form of learning material available digitally, which a learner can access or interacts so as to achieve the related learning outcome. So the content which are all everything in digital format, maybe a video or audio, the newspaper, if it is in hard copy, it's a content. If it is in digital format, then we call it as e-content. Generally,
Simon, sir.
we can divide the interact. Yes, sir.
Voice little
Yes,
breaks.
sir.
Voice is breaking.
Okay, sir. Okay, there are different forms of e-content. Let me go a bit slower. There are different forms of e-content. I have classified into four major categories. The first one is in the text format. Text format is nothing but e-books. E-books are in the PDF format. The books, the materials which we are learning, which we are searching in Google, and we are reading the article, they are called as e-books. And the second one is energized textbooks. The books which are having QR code and which is having takes to internet, which gives additional information, are called as energized textbooks. And then the next one is e-journal, and the next type is image. The next form of e-content is image. There are many categories in images, but I classified it into four. The first one is the images that are called graphics and the infographic images, and we are communicating in brochures. Maybe this event we communicated in the brochure format, and some interactive images. Interactive images is nothing but the image which leads to some external links. So they are called as interactive images. There is a website H5P, in that there is an option interactive. We can make the image to interact with the learners. And moving to the next one is audio. Audio is we can categorize into two. One is audiobooks. Maybe some of the content are recorded in the audio format, and audio guide. Suppose if you are going to your museum and they will be giving a headset, in that it will be guiding and it will be demonstrating everything. And when we are going for the video format, I will explain. If you're having any queries, you can ask me at the end. And when we are going for the video, we are having animations, simulations, games, augmented reality, virtual reality, and extended reality. So this one is the latest one. We are, so just a minute. virtual reality. Both are like and make us extended reality. So these are all the different forms of reality. It is very difficult for us when we are here. It will be difficult for us because we are not basically animators. We can't able to create games or VR. It is very difficult to create VR. Even if you want to create any browsers, we are depending upon the data, some computer centers. But the latest technology, and there are lots of websites and lots of softwares which are very user friendly, which helps us to create e-content on our own. So these are all the process in creating an e-content. So at D, this is the format. The first one is analysis, and the second one is design, and third one is develop, and fourth one is implement, and fifth one is evaluate. So these are all the 5 process which is given by CIT NCERT. First one is analysis, and second one is design, third one is develop, and fourth one is implement, and fifth one is evaluate. Analysis. Analysis is the very important part. Before we are creating, suppose you are going to create one video, animated video. So you should not directly go there and content. We must know whether this content is needed. We are going to create. And what type of content we are going to create. So this thing we have to analyze before creating the content. Whether it is needed. Suppose if I am going to create a video for a digestive system. For digestive system, I am going to teach. I'm going to create some e-content for digestive system. The first thing is whether it is needed. What type of whether it is needed or not. Who is my audience? Why we are getting for different types of content available in it, and then you decide what type of whether you are going to create. First them without analyzing. We should not create content, and then the next one is the design. Design is can be classified into 2: conceptual design and visual design. So how we are going to design? So what is and how it is going to and how it is going to and what will be our design. Now this is visual design. See here, all your analysis, design, develop. So this one is visual design. Hello. My voice is not clear. I think so. Just a minute. And then the third one is the develop part. We have to create storyboard. Before creating the content, first we have to create a storyboard. And then what type of ICT tool we are going to use, whether we are giving big use or animated games or digital text, maybe PDF font or presentation. those things we have to decide, and then we have to create, have to print the content, and we have to review. So this is the process, and the next one is the implement. We have to create and explain everything after some time. Let me complete, and then let's create some animation. Later on, you understand. And the fourth one is implement. Sir, I think my hello.
Yes, Simon sir.
Tangaraj sir irukangla?
இருக்காரு.
Let him start, sir. Now is it audible?
Yes, sir. Now it's audible.
Yeah. Well, let me try again.
Okay. Okay.
And then the last one is the evaluate. And then after testing, we have to get the feedback that we have to do. And after the feedback, we have to again analyze, and then we have to redesign it. And again, we have to redevelop. And after that, we have to implement. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Now it's okay.
Okay, let me go. Let's go to the topic now. The first one, introduction to animation. So, what is animation? Generally, we think animation it's very difficult to create, but there are lots of softwares which are very user friendly to create animation. First, let me explain what is animation. Animation is a process where pictures and images are arranged in sequential order to create the illusion of movement in a scene. So it is a process. Actually, when we are taking video for 1 second, what your mobile or the video camera will do is that if you are clapping, suppose if I'm clapping, it requires 1 second to take the video. Is it audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Suppose if I am going to clap and I am going to take a video. When I am taking a video, what happens, the camera will do is it takes photos within 25 photos within 1 second. And when it will take like this, suppose if this image, if this animated man is walking, is going to walk. If I am going to take a photo, video, what the video camera will do is it takes 25 times photograph. And 25 photos, what happens? It moves. When it is moved together, when it is arranged and when it is moved, what happens? It creates some illusion that the image is moving. There are many types of animation. In that, we are going to, there are 4 types of, I have classified into 4. The first one is traditional animation, and the second one is 2D animation, third one is 3D animation, and fourth one is stop motion animation. We are going to learn how to create 2D animation. Traditional animation is the oldest form of animation where the images are drawn and the images were taken photograph, and they run the photograph together and it creates illusion as animation. That one is the traditional animation. And 2D animation, there are lots of softwares. Flash, Adobe Flash, that means later now it is called as Animate, Adobe Animate. And 3D animation, there is an open source software, Blender. Using that you can create. And stop motion animation, there is an Android app, Stop Motion Studio. Using that we can create. Today we are going to learn how to create 2D animation. Create an animated film. The first thing is, when you are creating an animated story, first you have to decide the storyline. What is our story? And then after that, you have to write the script. And you have, first thing is the storyline, and the second one is you have to write the script. And after that, you have to write storyboard for everything. For each scene, what you are going to do in one frame, what you are going to show. I am going to show a tree to my left, and then the sun, and then a car is coming. Like that, you have to frame each and every scene. So that is called a storyboard. After that, you are going to create animation using some software. Post production is nothing but editing. After taking the video, after creating a content, after that you are going to edit, and you are going to add voice, giving narration, and you are adding music, and after that you export it as a file. So these are all the steps to create animated film. Before doing creating animation, we must know this animation rules. It line and sound motion. Third one is round and round motion. Fourth one is zigzag motion. And back and forth motion. So this is state. So whenever we are creating animated, when we are moving some objects, maybe right, left, again voice breaking. I'm audible, sir.
Now it's breaking, sir. So far it was okay, but from the last slide it was breaking.
Okay, let me try again. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Okay. The first one is the straight line motion. Straight line motion is nothing but moving from right to left or left to right. And then the second one is up and down motion, moving the image upward and downward. This one is the second basic movement. And the third one is round and round motion. This one is round and round, and this one is in the rotation format. It is rotating. So these are all the movements we must know. And the next one is the zigzag movement. See here, it is moving in zigzag, but the zigzag movement should be in the uniform. It must have some uniformity. Then only it will be appealing to the audience, to the and the next one is back and forth movement, is the swing movement. So in cartoon characters, if you are watching any cartoon movie or cartoon stories, when a cartoon character is running, what it usually does is it moves one step backward and then it runs. Or when if someone is walking in cartoon character, it will be having some backward movement. It may be called as it may be called as swing or arc, or in arc style. It is moving uniformly in the curve format, or in the swing format, or in the arc format. So these are all the basic movements. So okay, now I'm showing some clipping. Can you guess what type of movements I have used in the animation? You can send it through message to chat what type of movement I have used. Yes, it's in the linear path, up and down, and left and right, and left to right, and also right to left, up and down. Okay, let me move to the next one. Can you guess what type of movement I have used? Basic movement, animation movement, linear. And also I'm having some rotations. Maybe it is not visible. Actually, the wheel is rotating. See, whether my screen is visible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Screen.
Thank you, sir. Okay. And then can you guess now what type of movements I have used in this animation? Yes, rotation, left to right, rotation. And there is also one more movement there. Up and down, yes. Up and down, round, and left to right. Okay, let me move on to the next one. It's very easy. Zigzag, yes. Exactly, it's zigzag movement. Okay. Now we are going to create animation like this. Now we are going to learn. We are going to create animation like this video. Shall we do? Just type yes so that let's create animation like this. Okay, thank you. Okay, actually this animation is created using PowerPoint. Okay, now I am opening PowerPoint. After opening the PowerPoint, here there is an option blank presentation. See here, I am clicking this blank presentation, and after that I am getting like this screen. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. After opening the PowerPoint, you will be getting this type of slides. So this one is the slide. Here it is in the 16:9 format. It's in the HD format. In 2007, it will be in 4:3 ratio. Okay. Here I'm going to create animated video which you have seen earlier. To make that, I want to remove these two boxes. What I'm going to do is, see here, in the slide sorter, here I am right clicking on it, and after that there is an option layout, and here I am making it as a blank one. Let me do again. I'm right clicking on it, and after that I'm selecting the layout, and now I'm having this slide now. Now this slide is very empty. Now what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to add a car. I'm going to add a car. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to Google and I'm going to download the car. So I'm going to Chrome and I'm opening it now, and I'm typing car, cartoon car, and after that I'm clicking enter. I'm pressing the enter key, and after that, what I'm going to do is, I'm clicking on images. Now I clicked on the images, and after that I got some cars, and I'm going to I'm going to open it. My internet is very poor now. And then I'm getting this image. It is in the house. I'm going to change. So if I want to add anything on this slide, what you do is, see here there is an option home, and next to home there is an option. So if you want to add. சார் தங்கராஜா சார் கண்டினியூ பண்ண சொல்லுங்க சார். இருக்கிறாங்களா?
எஸ் சார், எஸ்.
அவர் ஹோஸ்டா மாத்திட்டு, ஓகே லெட் மீ டு.
Very good morning to all. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So, I open my. Thank you. I open my presentation, then click blank presentation, open it. In older version, the slide will show in 4:3 ratio. So you must change the size, orientation of slide size. Okay, then we click in the top menu, just design, click design. Then come to slide size. This is the slide size, the icon here. Click it. Then click the wide screen 16:9 ratio. Okay. Then you will get the full HD size screen. Okay. And this is the PowerPoint interface. We set this one like stage or slide or otherwise. Just so you in animation we need to a blank slide. We need not to have the titles. So just I click on the slide and right click, go to layout, then click blank. So I have a blank slide. Okay. Now I want to a car move from left to right. So I need a car picture. So I click my browser, open my browser, then search car. Then click image. There are so many car images are available, but I want a clip art. It means cartoon car. So I type here clip cartoon car. Okay, then enter. So here this car is like, okay, open a new tab and I got it. Just a right click on the car, save images. I decide where the image will be saved. I click downloads, then save. So car, already the image is available. So click save. Okay. Here the images saved. Okay. Back to switch to PowerPoint. Then I want to insert image. I want to a car image in the slide. So I go to insert in PowerPoint. Anything you want to insert, go to insert menu and the menu will appear. You will click. Now we want to insert picture. So you click the picture. It asks in this device or online picture. I have already downloaded. So I click this device. Then the picture is on in download folder. So I click downloads. So the image is here. I just click, select it and insert it. Okay. The car is now in our slide. Okay. Now I want to the car move from left to right. So I think so the car is in facing left side. So I want to flip the car in the direction, change the direction of the car. Okay. Just I click the image, then go to format menu. I zoom it. Go to format menu, then select the rotate key. Here, rotate, click on it. Just I zoom out. In the menu, click first right 90°, then left 90°, flip vertical, then flip horizontal. I want flip horizontal, so select this, flip horizontal. Okay. Now the image, it means car move from left to right. Okay. What will you do? Okay. Just select an image. If you want to add an animation, an object, you must click select the image, then select the image and go to animation menu, then click add animation. Here the add animation icon, then click on it. Click on it and down from here, entrance, emphasis, so many animations are here. I want more motion path animation. Here it appears. See, more motion paths. I click on it. Okay. Now the box pop-up will appear. I select left to right. So I click on the motion path right. So the preview will appear. Okay. Okay. Select OK. This is the animation guide. In the green point shows you a beginning of animation and the end point red is the end of the animation. So I want the car left to right. So I click on the red icon, red dot, just and drag it to the right where I want to go, where the car is to go. Now we see the preview. Okay, go to slideshow and from current slide, just click. Oh, right, nice. The car move left to right. This is the animation. Okay, I want to change the speed, animation speed. The car is, I think the car is so fast. So I want to the speed of the animation, control the speed of the animation. So I go to the in the menu, animation menu, then come to here. The animation pan is here. Now just click on it. Just if you want to control animation in any object, you must open animation pan, then control it from the tools from here. So here is a mouse up here. So now it means if you click, the animation starts. But I want without any click, the animation will start. Okay. So I select the down arrow button. The down arrow, then click on it. The start on click, start with previous and start after previous. I click start with previous. It means the animation will start with previous animation. It means the start after previous means the animation will appear after the previous animation. Okay. And now I select start with previous. Okay. So the animation timing change. Then go to click here and go to timing settings. The pop-up window will appear. You can see here duration, animation, various times are up here. First, so I select the 5 seconds very slow. Okay, select it. Okay. Then okay. Now we see the preview. You may click on this button. You may view the preview. Just play all. Click on the play all. The car will move very slow. Okay, very nice. Now I want to add some backgrounds. So I am going to Google and search backgrounds, cartoon backgrounds. Cartoon background images. So which one is better? Okay, I select this one. And right click on it, save images and save it to download folder. Okay, the image is downloaded. Then I come to return to my PowerPoint. Then we know anyone can insert to the PowerPoint. We must insert menu, click insert menu, then picture, then this device, and go to this image and select and insert. Okay, the image is appearing. You see, I want to, if you want to resize the image, just now see this, the image is just no just I click on the image, the dots will appear and around it. If you want to customize the image or resize the image, just you click on the corner of the dot, then click and drag it. So it will the big one. So I click and drag it. Okay. Now you see the car is not view. Although it means it disappear. Oh, where is the car? Just don't bother about it. Just right click on the background image, then go to send back. It means send extreme to back. This is the arrow key. It shows send backward and back. Back means extreme back. Backward means one image and one step to back. Okay. Now click on the send to back. Now the car is up here. Okay. Oh, what is the car is with the background white? I want an animation. So I need a character. It means character means hello.
Yeah, go a little bit slow, sir, because the image appears a little bit delay.
Okay, 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 sir. Okay, sir. Like a character, but that I think so. The car is here. The car is like an image, not a character. So what is the problem we face? The car has a background. So we need a car without background. So I am going to return to Google and I search a car background. You need car, cartoon car, and add a term PNG. PNG. Okay. Now some results are appear. I click on the cartoon car PNG. Sir, audio okay, ba?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Just I open this image and going to the clean PNG site. I select this image. And click free download. Select the free download. Now the image was downloaded. So in folder, oh, it appear. Now I'm going to return to switch to PowerPoint. Then already we know insert image, picture, this device. Select this device and going to insert the car. Oh. Already we know the we resize the car from click on here, just resize it. Okay. You see the difference between the two cars. It have a with the background, it have no background. So these types of images are called JPEG or JPG images. JPEG or JPG, both are same images. It have some backgrounds around it. These type of images, transparent images, is called PNG images. So this image is like a character on the image. So I don't want this image, so I delete the JPG image. Okay, delete. So now I want to add animation to the image. Okay. So already you know, if you want to add in animation, just click on the car, go to animation, then add animation. If you want to move an object, you must select the motion path. Go to motion path, and right side. Okay, just okay. Go to the down arrow and click start with previous. Already you know what is mean by start with previous and start after previous. I select start with previous. Okay. Then increase the timing of the car. So go to the down arrow and click on it timings. So I select the slow, very slow. Okay, 5 seconds. You also type here what time you want the animation. Even also I click the 40 seconds. Then okay, you need it. So the animation, drag the animation, just play on it. Okay, thank you, thank you. So it's very slow. So I stop this and click the animation and timing. Repeat 40 seconds to skip to 5 seconds. Okay, just it. It's nice. Okay, okay, right. Now, to the if you want to repeat the action,
Dangraj sir, voice is
move
breaking.
left to right. Sir,
Voice little
sir,
break.
கேக்குதா?
Voice
ஆ,
பாத்துங்க.
இப்போ பரவாயில்லையா?
இப்போ கரெக்ட்டா
மொபைல் வெளியில வச்சு. The if you want to repeat the animation, just go to down arrow, click timing, then here repeat none, just I click twice. Okay, then see this. Okay, it repeated. So you see the difference between single and double. Then now we add to some. I want to add a bird just flying. So I go to Google, then search image bird, cartoon bird. Cartoon bird PNG. Okay, I add this one. I want to add search clean PNG images. Just click on it. Just bird. Get more images. I select this one. Loading. Okay, downloading. I select the bird is downloading. to show. Okay. Then go to PowerPoint and go to insert and picture and insert the image. Okay. Insert. Know already how to resize. Okay. Then I am going to the bird small size. I want to fly bird from here to here. Okay. Then I add already know what is the add animation. Set object and click animation menu.
Sir,
Then add animation. Sir, சொல்லுங்க.
voice
Sir?
voice break కొంచెం break అవుతుంది please.
Just okay. Already know what is the procedure to add animation. Just click on the bird, then go to the animation menu, and then add animation. Click on add animation. Go to the motion path. Just click the right. Okay. Okay. Just the bird, the end point and starting point appear here. So I click on the end point, drag to this place. Okay, right. Now, just we see the preview. I go to change the start with previous. All animations start with previous. Okay. Then going to timing, change the timings, and it's 5 seconds slow. Okay. Then we go to see the slideshow. Okay. The car will moving here. Then bird will fly. We know, we see the bird is static image, but move from here. So we need to a small animation bird onto here. So we go to search Google, see the watch keyword cartoon bird. Flying bird GIF. Select this one and search. Here, know the bird. Select this bird. I want to select this bird. You see, there is as some small animations in this image. The bird flying up and down. The wings are going up and down. In these types of images called GIF images. So that's why I add the end of the search keyword GIF. Notice GIF. So these types of images called GIF images. So I select this image, right click on this, right click on the image, save images. I'm going to save. Okay. Now I'm back to PowerPoint. Just I delete the bird. So I just insert and click on picture and this device, downloads, select this one and insert. You see, we need to size, customize the size. Okay. Now the bird is static, no animations will appear here. So just I click on slideshow, you see the animations. Just see the animation. Okay. Now we add to the bird a small animation. Just click on the bird, go to menu animation, then add animation. Already we know motion path, then right. Okay. Okay. Then you may customize. Click on the red point and go to the drag to the end of the screen. Okay. Just we click on the bird. The bird will appear. I want to slightly turn the bird. Just turn. Okay. Okay. Just now, then already we know start with previous. The bird will fly with previous animations. So I give the start with previous. If in case you give the after previous, you see here. See here. Now select the start with previous. All animation are start from beginning. Then start with after previous. The animation will skip to here, move to here. After previous, the picture turn animation. Just watch this. The animation is timing is moving to here. So the two animation complete, then the third animation starts. Okay. Now I'll select this one and start with previous. Then choose the timing and into the 5 seconds slow. Okay. Now we see the preview. Just going to slideshow. Yes. Now I'm going to delete this image. I don't want this. Okay. Now I add the car and a bird. Now I want to add a cloud. It moving right to left. So what will you do? Just going to anything you must insert the PowerPoint stage. You go to insert. Now I am going to insert a shape. Just click on the shape. Going to now going down here and the basic shapes. In basic shape, we see the cloud. Just click on it. Okay. Now come here and click here and drag on it. Okay. Now it like cloud. If you want to change the color of the cloud, just right click on it, go to the fill option and change the color. Otherwise, you select on the image and the cloud shape, going to shape fill. Both are same. Okay. Now you are going to right click, then fill, going to white color or cloud color. Just I click select this one. I don't want outline, so I click the outline, then no outline. If you want to add outline, just click on it. Just what color you want, select what color you want, just select this one. Okay. That's okay. Now the cloud is here. Now I add one more cloud. So I now what we know, going to insert and add shapes. That's no need to necessary to another one. So we click on the cloud, then right click, copy. Otherwise, Control C, copy. Right click and paste. Otherwise, Control V, Control C and Control V. Okay. Duplicate will appear. Okay. Then very simple duplicate. Just select on the shape. Just click Control D. Okay, that's the duplicate will appear. Okay. Now we change the shape. Already you know how to change the shape of the image or shapes. Just click on it. I am going to stick the size that so there is images. I'll select Control D. As one more duplicate will appear. Then going to the format menu, rotate, flip vertical. So it will look like the images. Then I going to click the first shape. Then second shape, I will select both multiple shapes. I want to select multiple shapes. So I click on Control key. Then click the second one and third one. So I want to group this. So Control G is the shortcut of group. Control G. Okay. Now the image will group. So I want to move the cloud from right to left. So just I click on this, the image, select the image. Already you know you want to select the add animation. First you select the object, then going to animation menu, then going to add animation. I done motion path. Now I am going to left, right to left. So I select the motion path left. Okay. The preview will appear. Okay. That just I click on the OK. Now I click and drag this to here. So the cloud move here from here. Okay, right. Now I am going to change the start with previous. Change start with previous. Then click timing. I want to second extremely slow, 20 seconds. Okay. So then we going to slides show. If you want the bird will go away from the screen, you may size you are going to just click on this and away from here. So we need slideshow here. That's all. Yes. Good. Now I want to add a background music. How to add a music? So you know already we know anything in get into the PowerPoint, we must insert and insert, click insert menu, then come here, though there is a icon audio. Just click on the audio icon. It has audio on my PC or record audio. So I want to add from my PC, so I click on this. And here is a background music. I select on it, insert. So in insert audio, the icon, audio icon will appear. Here you may play and preview. Sir, audio kekkuda?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay.
We can by this we can wind up our session, sir. Please.
Sir?
இதோட wind up பண்ணிக்கலாம் sir session.
Okay, 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 sir, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Then click on the icon, going to the playback menu, then select play in background icon, then click on it. You see the preview of the animation. Convert a movie, just you go to file menu, then click save as, select where you want to save, desktop, then select the type of save as type, going to MP4, select MP4, then save. The PowerPoint is convert to the animation into video, MP4 format. Sir, Srinivasan sir?
Congrats, sir. Is it over, sir?
Sir?
Is it over, sir?
Over, sir. The animation, ಇದು convert ಆಗಿಟ್ಟಿருக்கு.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, it completed.
Is it completed?
See the animation. This is concentration. The MP4 format. Now how to create an animation and convert to video format. That means video format. Okay, that's all. Sir, Srinivasan sir, what do you
Yes.
sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. Okay, yeah, thank you for your wonderful session, sir. The participants, you can post your queries so that we will give you 5 minutes time, because usually from tomorrow we will give you some 10 to 15 minutes also time, but now we will provide you 5 minutes time so that you can post your queries. The server will answer it, and at the same time we will post you the recorded video of the session in your in the WhatsApp group, so that you can view the video and you can see perfectly also if at all any technical issues from side. First of all, we from the technical side, we regret our mistake, and sorry for the inconvenience happened. Thank you very much. You can post your queries, madam. Thank you. Yeah, how to insert the words tomorrow, it will be explained. Yeah, save it is export. Click the file, you can go to the export and you can save your file. In 2007, you can't, you can share it as a PPT, you can't share it, you can't export as a video. From 2010 or 13 and 19, you can export it as a video. 2007 version, you can't export it as a video, but you can share it as PPT. Assignment is not compulsory. We will provide you a link, assignment link, but it is not mandatory as well as compulsory to get your certificate. We will give that TNTU organizer madam will speak to you regarding that, but attendance, the assignment we will post you in the group, but it is not mandatory. Yeah, sure, we will provide you the recorded version of the video. And once again, sorry for the inconvenience happened. Complete video of this session we will be provided in the group. Many of the positive feedbacks we have got. Thank you from your side. Understood clearly, very fine. It was clear, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you for your feedbacks.